guys, I am so excited that you have chosen this yearbook option to draw. So I will say that one piece of advice that I can give you is to draw light until you get it right, which means that when you're drawing with a pencil, if you draw really, really dark, there's going to be what's called ghost lines. And that is where you draw dark and you can't erase it because you've drawn so dark. But if you draw light and you put just a little bit of pressure on your paper, then it's easier to erase those ghost lines, okay? Or you won't have ghost lines because the lines will be easier to erase. I would recommend starting off with a pencil today, but if I draw with a pencil, you can't see it. So I am going to draw with a Sharpie, okay? So this drawing is a little bit more complex, but I'm excited that you have chosen to do this drawing, okay? So this one, it has a stack of books on it, all right? And our theme for our yearbook this year is Powered by STEAM. So I'm excited to see what you all create. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a few lines like this, okay? And they have a little bit of a curve to them. And these are going to be the lines of the different books, okay? And now the books have some perspective to them and some foreshortening, which means that you make them shorter than what they actually look like because it's going to make it look like it's further back in space, okay? Or further back in your drawing, all right? And then what we're going to do, I'm not going to spin it, I'm going to keep it straight. And drawing like this is sometimes hard, so if you don't get it the first time, it's totally okay. Just keep trying. So, and I'm not going to draw the back ones because I'm going to draw my next book first, okay? I'm actually going to draw this book first, and my line went the wrong direction, so I'm going to fix that just like that. And then I'm going to draw this book. It's just going to be straight out. Like that, okay? And then this book goes back pretty far like that. See? And spinning your paper can help you because then you're just drawing something and you're not thinking about it looking like a book. So spinning your paper, I would recommend you doing quite often. So now I'm going to add some lines here to show that this is the spine of my book, okay? And then I can finally add this line here, that's the back of my book, and this line here, okay? All right. Then I'm going to add some lines here because this is the papers of the book. Pages. Okay. There's some more pages. Right. And if I'm going too fast, you all totally can pause the video and just come back when you need to, because I know I do this pretty quickly, and you might need to erase or something, so it's totally okay to pause the video. All right? Okay, now with this top one, what you need to do is you need to kind of take another pencil. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take another pencil. I'm going to do it just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to try to imagine a line here that goes from here to here. I'm going to put a dot right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from here to here. And then from here to here. And that's going to be the top of my book. See? Add some lines. And you know what? Yep. My books kind of got bigger as they went up, but that's okay. And then what I can do is I can add a table onto these. So I'm going to table just like that. Okay. And then we can even add a pencil if we want to, that's laying on the table. Or a coffee mug, right? This looks like it might be Miss Richardson's desk. Okay. I'm going to draw a little heart on my coffee mug. Alright. And then you can title your book. So I'm going to title this one Heart Engineering, Math, Science, and Technology. Okay. And then don't forget that somewhere you need to put Powered by STEAM, and somewhere you need to put Anderson Elementary School and the year, okay? So I'm probably going to put it up here. Then I'm going to make some steam coming off this coffee. I'm going to say, I'm going to color this gray so it kind of blends in with the power. And see, if I had a pencil, I can go back and erase these little mistakes. And then you can add more stuff or color it, and you can do whatever you want to. All right? So I hope you guys have a great time. Happy making!